fight bullying, creating a safer community for everyone. List of contents. What is bullying? Types of bullying. Impact of bullying. Recognizing the signs of bullying. Preventive measure. How to respond to bullying. What is bullying? Bullying involves repeated aggressive behavior that is intended to hurt or intimidate another person physically, verbally, or psychologically. Bullying can occur in person, online cyberbullying, and in a variety of settings, including schools, workplaces, and social places. Types of bullying. Physical bullying, hitting, pushing, or other physical aggression. Verbal bullying, name calling, insults, and other forms of derogatory language. Social bullying, spreading rumors, excluding others, and public embarrassment. Cyberbullying, using digital platforms to repeatedly harass or humiliate someone. Impact of bullying. Bullying can have a major impact on both victims and perpetrators. Victim. Increased risk of depression, anxiety, difficulty sleeping, decreased academic performance, and in severe cases, suicidal thoughts. Perpetrator. Higher risk for academic problems and violent behavior in later life. Recognizing the signs of bullying. It's crucial to recognize the signs of bullying. Withdrawal from social interaction, unexplained injury or loss of property, changes in mood, behavior, sleep, or appetite, of certain situations such as refusing to go to school. Preventive measure. It's crucial to recognize the signs of bullying. Education. Teach empathy and respect from an early age. Policy. Set clear rules and consequences regarding bullying. Open communication. Create a safer environment where children and adults feel comfortable reporting bullying. By coming together, educating ourselves and our communities, and taking proactive steps, we can combat bullying and create a safer environment for everyone. Let's be the change we want to see in the world. Thank you.